So it looks like we got the living room and kitchen trusses done. Oh shit. Oh, this is the porch. Here's the grill. You got the grill. So that's the grill, that's sweet. Now it's all closed over here. And looks like it goes to here. So we got the living room. Kitchen is next, I guess. Oh yeah, the trusses are done. Got the septic tank in too, so got to get final grade done, but for now it's inspected and done. Then we got the pipes that come out over here, so the shop and the house are both tied in. So the shop bathroom comes in and then the house comes in, which is the pipes over there. And then they go to the septic over there. We got the roof on, the windows in. So electricians, plumbers, everybody's gonna start showing up. So I'll get to show you that here shortly. The outdoor grill is gonna go inside of here. We got the sliding doors installed, all the windows installed. So that's cool. They're gonna wrap the outside, stucco guys this week. Electrical guys, plumbers should be done roughing in, and roofers are coming. You might be wondering what these are. These are the sliding doors, all 4 of them. 2 per, I gotta back up, 2 per sliding door set. So the doors open that way and that way. And there's 2 of them here, one for the living room, one for the master. Garage door is in. I'm still waiting for the front door and the rest of the doors to show up. They should show up next week, I think. Soffits are painted. So I need to get the guy in for final grade, because I have rocks coming this next Friday. So I need this all set up so I can make the ground correct with the rocks instead of this muddy shit. I started putting Ethernet and coax in. I got 2 per box, so 1 facing that way, and then each room has 2. So depending where the bed and the dressers and stuff go, you have extra options. Then all that runs up into the laundry room. So all the cables come into the laundry room, and there's a box for Ethernet and a box for coax. Then I'm gonna put a server rack in here to hold everything. I'll make shelves or whatever. Need a network switch, modem, and all that crap. Here's the plates. So it's just Ethernet and the coax. The island has the plumbing and it has electric. And then most of the electric is getting done right now too. The AC's up there on the roof already. And so it's moving along now finally. Heater vents are in, can lights are starting to go in. Pellet stove pipe needs to get placed. Pretty much where it's at now, but the pipe needs to go through the ceiling. More cables. Temp door is going to be here today. Got a tub that's going to be all tiled. Walk-in shower. And then those cables here are just going to go straight through to the shop out there. Stucco guys finishing prep. The roof's dried in. AC's on the roof. Here's the theater room, roughed out. There's going to be a shop sink in that back corner by the garage door. And so, yeah. Then there's the bathroom in the back corner as well. I'll get better video for the next one because there's nothing in there really. You got 10-foot ceilings in here. I got to mark where all the speakers are going to go. Gonna have a speaker on that corner, this corner over here, somewhere, but I have to, it's got to be more to the left, and then 2 on the back. In the theater room, I started putting my boxes, so that's all the inputs from the receiver, front left, front right. The center's high because you see that line right below it? That's the top of the TV. So I had to leave room. Epoxy guy is coming on Tuesday. So that'll be cool. If the camera doesn't want to autofocus. So all of this area, except for obviously the theater room, is all going to be epoxy. And then I'll have to mark where my lift is so I can put the lift in.